Hey friends, Rich here, Rich's Custom Marine and Auto. I just want to share something real quick with you. If you're looking for a solution to hold the battery down in whatever vehicle you've got or you're working on or whatever, we had that here. Of course, they make universal ones you can get at the parts store and stuff like that, but we live out here in the middle of nowhere, and so I just used some angle iron and some 3/16 solid rod, and there was already a threaded hole for the factory mount down in there, so I used that. Just some little bits of angle iron welded together, and welded up underneath here, welded a nut, and then you can probably see there, you can see the J-hook that I bent down there, and of course just welded it up there. So now if you need to take the battery out, you just pull this bolt out, this comes up, turns, and comes out of the way, and then you can pull your battery up out of there. And if you need even more room, of course down in there, you could just pull that bolt out, and this whole side comes out. But just a quick little deal I wanted to share with you guys. Just a simple, light, a little bit of hammered finish paint on there, you know, to make it kind of look nice. So pretty simple but effective, but yeah, that's not going anywhere. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate all the support, the likes, the comments. I do read them and I respond as often as I can. So we'll catch you in the next one.